Why did he build Taliesin West? Frank Lloyd Wright and Taliesin West in Scottsdale, Arizona. Taliesin I was built in 1911 in Wisconsin. The word Taliesin means a shining brow, perhaps alluding to the scenic location and vista. It was built to be a home, a workplace, and a school and cultural center for Wright students. Wright designed it all, to the last piece of furniture. In 1914, it suffered severe fire damage. Taliesin II was soon built on the same spot, but it was also damaged by fire and again rebuilt as Taliesin III. In 1927, architect Albert Chase McArthur, a former student of Wright's, asked Wright to help him with the projected construction of the Arizona Biltmore Hotel. Wright accepted, came to Phoenix, and presented plans based on his unusual architectural principles. There was opposition to the unique design and some compromises were made. Known today as the Arizona Biltmore Resort and Spa, the award-winning property describes itself as the only existing hotel in the world with a Frank Lloyd Wright-influenced design. Now introduced to the Arizona landscape, the master and his disciples planned and built Taliesin West. Indigenous materials were used throughout, and Wright's students built it, basically by hand. Visitors to Taliesin West are struck by the expanse of the site and the intricate structures built of massive walls fashioned of desert rock embedded in masonry, topped with canvas flaps for ceilings affixed to redwood beams. The structures at Taliesin West are sort of tense yet not tense by virtue of their weight and permanence. The units that comprise it are arranged at various distances and angles connected by terraces, lawns, pools, and stairways. Of Taliesin West, Wright wrote, "Our new desert camp belonged to the Arizona desert as though it had stood there during creation." Factoid: Frank Lloyd Wright was 70 years old in 1937 when he decided to build his winter residence in an undeveloped portion of the Scottsdale desert with a view of the valley.